In regards to the ethical usage around AI, how do we at SalesScreen going to ensure that AI is being implemented as ethically as possible? How are we ensuring that we are maintaining privacy regulations for our customers? Because that is something that we at SalesScreen take very seriously. We deal with a lot of data, we deal with a lot of sensitive data. How do we ensure that we're keeping the lid on that?
Yeah, it's great questions and definitely top of mind. In any platform shift, there's going to be an early time where things aren't really efficient. So if you're thinking about ethical ramifications of it consuming quite a bit of power, for instance, and those kind of things, like it's just going to be better and better. And we are obviously going to observe as well, like usage and how much of this is actually can we help optimize and make sure that it isn't too costly, that we just ramp up the resources on the data centers. We will try to optimize it as much as possible. We, of course, leverage one of the bigger ones as partners. In this case, I believe it's right now we're leaning heavily on Microsoft, which we've partnered with and worked with for many years. And for them, this has always been top of mind and very important. And one of the reasons we went with them is also their enterprise mindset. So like privacy is definitely top of mind there. And also built into our DNA as a European company. We were early with GDPR compliancy and privacy, and every customer has a data processing agreement that kind of outlines what is it that we can do and can't. And let's face it, it's the clients who own the data. So the AI is going to process it locally. It's not going to share it. It's not going to be trained on it per se, so that it's something that goes outside of the SalesScreen bubble. So from the client perspective, there isn't really any privacy concerns they should be scared of. From the ethical part, I have to defer a bit to Microsoft because they have a bigger say in this, and we will do our part by optimizing the code and being able to run it as efficiently as possible.